Hey everybody, welcome back. We've got pack opening number 10 here. Let's see what we can pull out of this thing. Alright. A Sierra and Oddball. Kellon Elemental. Pulled that little guy so many times. Ooh, a red. Nice. Always nice to pick up another one of those. What does she cost again? 2. Yeah. And then a Paint Prison. I don't think I pulled that one yet. That's kind of cool. Cernunnos. Funky Muna guy. We'll take a closer look at him. The Council. Gift of Self. I pulled a few of those. I think I have a full set now. I don't know if they're all the same faction, but might have a full set. Hathor. Good old Coniferal Cone Man. What are we getting into here? It's a rare. Ortis Cadets. And Aloe Vera in Lyra. That's kind of, I didn't know. Ooh, okay. Would have been nice if I got another Muna one, but yeah, Axiom Reprocessor for Muna. And then a brass bug token. Alright, awesome. I'll be right back with these in a minute. Alright, we're back, everybody. And of course, we're starting with our 4th Sierra. So when you play a permanent with hand cost 3 or more, you may exhaust me to create a Brass Bug 2/2/2 robot token in a target expedition. Pretty cool, but like, whew, getting a lot of those. I could really use some of the blue heroes. Axiom Reprocessor for Muna. This one. At noon, resupply. Put the top paragraph. Nothing is created, nothing is lost. Everything is transformed. Aloe Vera, but in the... Let's go have a look and see if they're a little different. Okay, so... Yeah, no, they look exactly the same. Cost is the same. Strength is the same. Ability. I love the art on that. It just looks awesome. Let's see what we got here. Ortis Cadets. Oh yeah, okay. So create an Ortis Recruit Soldier token played from anywhere in my expedition. And discarded from reserve, the next spell you play this turn cost 1 less. That's pretty cool. Where is it? What? Oh, there we go. Conan. I gain anchored when played from anywhere. 5/5. Kind of expensive. Hathor. That was another one that I hadn't. Dance is the language of the soul. She costs 2 or 3, and then she's a 3/3/0. Oh, what's your discard there? So return another card from your reserve to your hand. It's kind of handy. Gift of Self. I think we've seen that a few times. Whoop. Whoop. Yeah. Sacrifice a character if you do draw 2 cards. The Council. This one I don't think we've seen. So, played from anywhere, played from hand, played from reserve, abilities of characters facing me can't activate. Oh, wow. That's actually pretty cool. This dude, the Cernanos, is a 4/4/4 for 4 or 3 from reserve. You can feel it in the trees, deep beneath the roots, their very heartbeat of nature. Pretty cool. Paint Prism. You may discard a card from your reserve to reduce my cost by 2. Return target character or permanent to the top of its owner's deck. And red. Seasoned. I keep my boosts when I go to reserve. I'd love her in rare, but that will do. And of course, Kellon Elemental. I don't know how many times we're going to pull that little guy. Alright, awesome. You guys have a great morning. Thanks again for coming out. This is Bastwardo, out.